before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe to the Trust Wallet YouTube channel. That way, you'll never miss important updates, including special promotions, opportunities to earn, and exciting new features. Okay, so in this video, we'll go through how to buy crypto using PayPal through Trust Wallet. So that's super easy. One way to do that is to start with the fund option. So that's near the top. So we'll go ahead and select fund. And then from here, you'll go ahead and select buy crypto. All right. So from there, you can do things like select your amount and your currency. Here, for example, I'll just leave that at euro for now, and I'll leave the amount the same. The important step though here is to go under payment method where you see digital wallet right now and select that. And then you'll select digital wallet again. And then as you see here in the different payment methods, there are several you can choose from, including Apple Pay, P2P, SEPA, bank transfer. But you'll see right at the bottom you have PayPal, so you'll go ahead and select that. Okay. Now from there, you'll want to choose a payment provider. Here it's MoonPay, so we'll go ahead and select that. And then again, if you're happy with everything, your currency, your amount, you'll go ahead and just select continue. All right, so now I'm being connected to the third-party provider. Okay, so now I'm safely being connected to the third-party payment provider. From here, you'll go ahead and complete the steps. In this case, you can go through Apple by signing in there, or you can use your email address and then go through the rest of the steps. Once you do, you'll be able to purchase your crypto using PayPal. All right, so I'll show you one more way to do this buying process. What you can do here is you can, let's say, start in the top right search option, so you can select that, and then search for, let's say, any crypto asset that you'd want to purchase. So let's say, in this case, Solana. Search for it, select it, and then from there you can select buy. All right, and then again you'll go ahead and select the payment method, go through, and then select PayPal, and then again you'll select the provider and then go through a similar sequence of steps by selecting continue, being connected to the third-party payment provider, and then completing your purchase. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Always make sure to download the latest version of Trust Wallet. That way you have access to the newest features and the latest security updates. Stay tuned for more.